Hello. Okay, I have 2 windows, and these are going to be gifts for Christmas. I will do a video with the finished products. I'm gonna go through what we're doing right now first, and that way you guys will see what the process has been. The other side of the window has already been sanded and it looks amazing. This side, which is the inside of the window, not so much. I'm not going to worry about this stuff here. I sanded it lightly, so know that nothing's going to fall off. This pane is broken, so Ed's working on this one. I'm going to work on the other one just because we both unfortunately got sick with the stomach flu, him with bronchitis right before that, and busy with everything that happens around Thanksgiving and shopping and Christmas and whatever with the grandkids. So he's helping me tonight. We've got to take this paint out. So we've got to get this glazing off of here. And of course I had to get one of these windows that they reglazed right before they chose to redo their windows. So Big Man is laughing at me because I made him put safety glasses on. I've got safety glasses on just in case he happens to, as we're scraping this glaze off, blow through the window. My son-in-law had said he works for, his dad owns a glass company. He'll be owning the glass company eventually when his, with his brother, when his dad decides to retire, that there should have been a little metal clip of some sort in here holding this window. I'm not seeing that little metal clip. But we're going to remove this pane, and I'm either going to put like a twine and little clothespins in the pane on the other side when I finish it, or we're going to put chicken wire here. I don't know which yet. It'll be a surprise for you guys too. Ed's going to go ahead. I'm going to show you my window real quick, but I'm going to let him get back. Okay. I am going to show you this one and kind of give you the steps that I'm doing. So here's this. I'm not using my tripod. I'm not going to videotape this whole thing. What I'm doing here is all of this glazing on this window is pulling right up very, very easily. I'm going to pull this up. I'm not removing every pane of glass on this window. I am, however, going to pull up all this peeling and nasty crap, and then I'm going to run some silicone. This pane is broken, so we're going to pull this window pane out, if you guys see the crack here. These were old windows I purchased to do some Christmas gifts with. And like I said, I'll show you guys when I'm done. But this pane's broken. Unfortunately, the window that Ed's working, it's just the middle pane that's broken. And that's the only pane I'm going to remove. I'm either going to put chicken wire or twine, I don't know which. But this isn't going to look right, just leaving one pane on the side, so I'm probably going to remove this one, and I'm probably going to go ahead and remove this one. But this glazing, this is what they call glazing. This glazing on this old window is coming off beautifully. What I don't want to do is use this window as is, give it as a gift, have somebody take it, hang it up, something happen, and a child get a hold of any of this loose stuff and worry about choking on it. So we're going to yank all this old icky glazing up, and I'm not forcing too bad here. We're going to go ahead and I'm going to work on this right now. We're going to pull all this peeling chunky stuff up, run some silicone. I'm not going to reglaze them because we're not really using them as windows per se. They're going to be decoration on a wall. So I am going to go ahead. I just wanted to kind of guys show you this part of it and explain kind of my thought process. But I think I'm going to remove this pane and this pane. I'm going to remove all this. Now, some of these, if there's any, like this glazing up here doesn't look bad. I don't know. Oh, nope, never mind. That peeled really easy, didn't it? What I don't want this to do, because this is going to be very heavy up on a wall, I don't want this to worry about somebody bumping it and this stuff falling onto a floor and a pet or a child eating it. The other side, I have sanded. This side, I hit with a little bit of a sander, but you know, you don't want to sand it and to help knock the glaze off and then end up breaking your glass with a sander. I am inside the kitchen, so the dog is nice and safe where she's at. Of course, we have a baby gate separating our kitchen. I'm going to go ahead and jump off here, guys. I'm going to go ahead and work on it. I will show you kind of the middle steps and the finished product and do 3 videos for you. So Ed's working just over here to my left. I'm going to get busy over here and make another video later. Stay tuned, hit like, hit subscribe so you see the finished product. Be good, guys.